This is a really tasty spaghetti dish with tuna, olives and pecorino. I absolutely love it, and it really reminds me of a dish my mum used to make me. Although back then I didn't have the olives and I'm pretty sure I smothered it in tomato ketchup as well. Anyway, let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of spaghetti as per the pack instructions. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a large frying pan and heat over a medium heat. Add a finely diced onion and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until softened. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Stir together and cook for a further minute. Next in goes 2 400 gram or 14 ounce cans of finely chopped tomatoes. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of sugar and stir all that together. Bring it to the boil and then turn down the heat and simmer for about 4 or 5 minutes until slightly reduced. Now add in 2 145 gram or 5 ounce cans of tuna in olive oil that have been drained and flaked, plus 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of mixed olives that have been drained, pitted and sliced in half. Stir together and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring gently so as not to mush up the tuna. Stir a few times during cooking until the tuna's warmed through. By now that spaghetti should be cooked, so we want to drain and reserve about 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking water. Add the drained pasta to the pan with the tomato and tuna and toss it all together. Add in splashes of the pasta water if you want to loosen up the sauce a bit more. And now we're ready to serve, so I like to divide between bowls and top with plenty of grated pecorino, some baby salad leaves and a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. You can also add a nice pinch of black pepper if you like before serving too. And there we go, that's my simple tuna tomato pasta ready in 30 minutes. I love that tangy tomato sauce with those zingy olives and that lovely creamy pecorino. Really hope you enjoy it. See you later.
How much pasta?
So much.